Alright, still in Wilmington. I've got some wind noise, sorry about that. I'm in a condo. This is my view. And the sun's going down. And tomorrow I'll be heading to Greenville, South Carolina to visit with Ken, the moringa guru. So keep watching. Spent the last 2 weeks here in Wilmington, North Carolina, waiting on the MPP charge controller unit to come in. It's in. So I'm going to take it with me and wait till I get back to Texas to install it. Or I may even wait until I get down to Parker, Arizona and get a little help installing it. Because it's pretty complex for a non-electrical type guy, or non-solar guy. So, not sure yet. We're probably 310 miles from Columbia, South Carolina. I've got about 5/8 of a tank of gas, and I'm trying to reach South Carolina where the prices are a lot cheaper on gas. In Wilmington it was $133.9. Here on 76, Route 76, it's $2.49. So I'm thinking it should be down in the 2 teens in South Carolina, since their sales tax is a whole lot cheaper than ours here. I'll let you know. Well, I'm heading out of North Carolina, heading towards South Carolina. I'm going to be going down to Pickens, South Carolina, to see Fred, the Moringa Man. Hopefully I'll get a little interview with him and get that posted up. Then I'll be heading to Atlanta to see J-Dub, and then back to Texas. And probably November 5th or 6th, heading to Parker, Arizona for the van build. Well, I'm on 95 south for a little bit. And of course, 95 is a parking lot. It always is. I don't know what it is. But 95 south or north, it's always gridlock. No matter what day, no matter what time of the day, you're going to hit 4 or 5 stopping points. It's ridiculous. Speed limit 70. Right now I'm doing a whole 14. Heading towards Wilmington, North Carolina. Trying to stay out of trouble with these crazy drivers. Alright, I'll get back to you in a bit. Alright, I went just a quarter mile and now I can see it. And this whole complete 100% backup is rubberneckers. There's an accident on the northbound lane, nothing in the southbound lane. And people are just gawking and slowing down. Gotta see what's going on. There goes the fire truck. This is ridiculous. It's all 100% rubbernecking. People, get your head on straight and go. Look straight ahead. Don't worry about what's in the other lane. And just go. Even though a Jeep is torn up in pieces. Whew. That guy must have rolled 3 or 4 times. So now I'm rubbernecking. Alright, time to motivate here. We're back up to speed. Check with you later. Well, the sun's coming in the wrong angle. We're getting close to the South Carolina border. That's it right there. Trying to hold this thing steady. It's not working. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I got a whistle. I'm trying to get rid of